Welcome again to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I'm Blake, and this is Rachel, and this is the place you come for campsite reviews, tips, tricks, hacks, mods, and all your camping stuff. So we're just happy that you're here with us. Thanks for watching. And we're doing some campsite reviews today.
Today we are talking about a place we checked out in Mississippi. It's spelled Twiltley, but according to the southern person that checked us in, he called it the Twiltley Branch.
That's Twiltley Branch. Say that again.
I don't know if I can do it again. The Twiltley Branch.
That was pretty good.
We are not southern, can you tell? This place was lovely. It was a last-minute booking because it was part of a larger trip and we wanted somewhere to stop overnight. We were debating between hotel or do we set up. We ended up spending 2 nights actually. In Collinsville, Mississippi was a long day for us, but it left a shorter day for the next leg of our travels. But we scored a lakefront spot. It was beautiful. Check out our adventure and we'll be back with you for the full review. All right, what did you think about Twiltley Branch?
Well, I loved it. Other people saw our pictures and said, boy, you could probably talk us into going there. It was a beautiful, peaceful lake. There was a lot of fishermen out there, and they were getting up at the crack of dawn and running their boats. But it was great. We were up early. We wanted to wake up and watch the sunrise on the beautiful lake.
That was gorgeous.
We had a great spot. A couple other spots that were pretty good too, but ours was excellent. You can't beat watching the sunset and drinking coffee from your camper window.
On your birthday.
On your birthday. Yep, it was my birthday. But anyways, I loved it. It was great. Nice little playground, lots of sand. It had just rained, so it was a little muddy, but the kids didn't mind.
And, we missed quite a rainstorm, I think. We actually ended up having great weather. Our major drawback was how close our neighbors were. And we knew it was a gamble because it was a last-minute booking, and they were really close. And they were very nice people, but some of them actually stayed up to like 1, 2 o'clock in the morning having a nice little conversation. Mm-hmm. But when you have cloth walls and they're 10 feet away,
they were like...
you're just in there. They're in your bedroom or you're in their living room. I don't know which it is, but they were chatting by the campfire.
That's what it was. Our bedroom was 8 feet from their campfire, and they were quiet, but you could hear everything. So we got woke up several times. Oh, well.
It is what it is. The kids enjoyed playing with other kids. There was plenty of buddies for them. Had a great time digging in the sand and playing by the lake.
We didn't do trails. I don't know if they had trails and stuff, but
we didn't find any.
They definitely had some different walking areas around the beach area, that couple of little peninsulas.
Yeah, there was an actual beach, but it was cold. We braved the beach for a little while, but it was like cold and windy for beach. It wasn't really beach weather, but we tried it anyway because we were determined.
The kids waded in.
Yeah,
to
the
their
kids
knees
did
or
it.
whatnot.
And I would say if you want to try this place out, I would go farther down. We were at site what? We were at site 33. If you can get down on the end of that loop, it's a beautiful peninsula with larger sites.
Mhm.
Great view. It's all a great view, though.
Yeah, they like redid the sites a while back, so there's a couple of spots where they're no longer spots. So there's a couple of really spacious spots in there too.
Right. There was a pit toilet across the street from us.
Showers
by
were
the
kind of
playground.
far. Showers kind of far from where we were at. Kind of had
Yeah,
you
we
had
had
to
to get in
drive.
the car. You kind of had to drive to the shower, but
Well, but they were nice.
yeah, they were fine. Except I couldn't find the light switch, so I just depended on the lovely skylights. I couldn't figure out how to turn the lights on. Oh well. How many stars would you give it?
I mean, location.
Right.
It was 4 stars on location.
And it was not that far off of the highway that we were already going on to get down to Florida.
It was right on the
It
way,
was
pretty much.
basically on the way. So I would say, 3.5 stars? Maybe not 4 stars.
Yeah,
but
3.5, but I think 4 just for the location.
Yeah, it was gorgeous.
It was peaceful. It was beautiful. If we would have had a little bit better spacious, then it would definitely have been a solid 4 stars, probably.
Yeah. By the way, I'm just going to throw out a plug. If you don't have a camping journal, we made a camping journal based off of what our likes and dislikes off of our past camping journal.
She did it. She's
This
amazing.
is actually our very first Adventure 1 in our new camping journal, and I'm loving it.
Boom.
So check it out.
Twiltley Branch.
Twiltley Branch.
Twiltley Branch.
And we did bring the dog. She had a great time as well. She didn't really get, wet and muddy. There was a lot of sand. I know we said that, but, it was a major struggle to keep sand off of our camping mat, off of our doorstep. It's just everywhere, and we're like, well, that's just what you get.
I swept 10 times.
Yeah, it was a little rough. But hey, it was a good time. It was gorgeous. Go check it out. Let us know where you've been in Mississippi. We did get to put a new sticker on our RV map for Mississippi, and we loved it. If that's your state, we love you guys. It was beautiful. Hope to make it back someday.
Have you gone camping yet? Have you started your camping season? If you have, smash that like button.
And let us know where you guys have been or where you're going.
Let us know where you've been and what you have plans for. I know a lot of people have plans for the 4th and Memorial Day, so let us know where you're going. And maybe we'll come see you.
I don't know. I think we're going to be camped out.
She's already booked this out.
We're pretty booked. Thanks for watching Adventures and Pop-Ups. We'll be seeing you. We are about to wrap up our makeover. You can see we are in the camper with our fireplace curtain. We are wrapping up a few things, and then, yes, we will have a full tour very soon. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe, and leave us a comment. Thanks for watching, and happy camping.
Happy camping.